Hello, Herman Miller Aeron users. Continuing with our index of our existing chair fixing videos, we created this first part of the Ultimate Aeron Chair Fixing and Parts Replacement Guide. In the description box, you will find all videos are timestamped and linked to the full ones for your convenience. This part will lead you to our videos on how to replace the Aeron seat mesh, back mesh, gas cylinder, casters, arm pads, and lumbar support. If you want these replacement parts, check the description for a direct link to our website. Remember, every replacement part we sell is completely new, guaranteed, and for the best price. One last thing before we start, we're currently running a sale on our fully and professionally renewed Herman Miller Aeron chairs. So if you're looking to get yourself a high-quality Aeron chair for the fraction of the price, you can check them out on our website or click the links in the description. First, this video shows you how to easily replace the mesh on your seat. We sell tens of these replacement seat mesh every day. It's not that Herman Miller's quality is bad. On the contrary, Herman Miller produces one of the most high-quality parts for an office chair in the market. It's just accidents and simple wear and tear. Some people hang their keys on their belts, so one wrong move and the key cuts right into the mesh. Toddlers experimenting their toys on the mesh or pets clawing the chair are also common issues. Luckily, this video combined with our replacement seat mesh will save you a ton of money on a new chair, or even a new seat with the frame. Replacing the mesh is way cheaper than the whole seat, so keep that in mind. Next, we have a video on how to replace the back mesh on the Herman Miller Aeron chair. Like the seat mesh, the Aeron chair is known for its distinctive mesh design, providing both support and ventilation to the user. However, like any product, it can be subject to damage. If the mesh on the back of an Aeron chair tears, several reasons might be behind it, such as carrying sharp or pointed objects in back pockets, or leaning against the chair with sharp items can lead to cuts or tears in the mesh. Or consistently leaning or rubbing against the mesh in a certain spot can cause the mesh to wear out faster in that area, leading to tears. Even things that go without saying, like using the chair in ways other than sitting, like standing on it, tilting it in non-standard ways, can strain the mesh. All that is fixable. Here, we're showing you how to replace your gas cylinder. Some people don't have a clear idea about the importance of cylinders in an office chair. The gas cylinder serves as a crucial component for height adjustment and maintaining the desired seat height. If the gas cylinder is broken or malfunctioning, you'll experience some serious issues, like the most immediate and noticeable problem of losing the chair's ability to adjust the height, or a sudden drop or sinking, which happens while you're sitting and the chair suddenly drops to its lowest position. This can be surprising and even lead to minor injuries if you're not prepared. Like any mechanical component, gas cylinders can wear out over time. The seals might degrade, or the internal components might wear down, leading to a decrease in performance. Continuously subjecting the chair to weights exceeding its design limit can strain and damage the gas cylinder over time. Or dropping the chair, or a sudden forceful impact on the seat like someone falling into the chair, can cause damage to the cylinder or its sealing components. We always stock on all types of gas cylinders due to the high demand we always get. The final video in this part is how to replace the arm pads, lumbar support, and casters. As you know, the primary function of arm pads is to provide comfort. Sitting for extended periods can cause fatigue, and having a soft, cushioned place to rest your arms can make the experience much more comfortable. But there are other uses for them that most people don't pay attention to. Properly designed and adjustable arm pads can improve the ergonomics of a chair. They support the user's arms in a position that can help reduce strain on the shoulders and upper back, helping maintain a neutral posture. Also, arm pads can prevent direct contact between the user's arms and the hard or metallic parts of the armrest. Without the pads, resting your arms on the armrests might be uncomfortable, or could even lead to minor injuries in case of sudden movements or impacts. The most common reason for damaged arm pads is simply regular use over time. As people use the chair, they rest their arms, move them around, or adjust their seating position, which can cause wear on them. Of course, there are other reasons like material degradation, sharp objects, spills and stains, or even chemical exposure during cleaning, especially with bleach. As for the wheels, which are known as casters, continuous use over time can wear down the components of the casters, so normal stuff. Moreover, most chairs have a recommended weight limit. If the chair consistently supports weight beyond this limit, the casters might be subjected to stress that can lead to breakage. Using the chair on surfaces it's not designed for, like rough or uneven floors, can damage the casters too. That's it for part 1. Don't forget to subscribe to Office Logic Shop for more helpful videos.